think you should. Yes, no, maybe. Anyway. Are you guys ready for some comedic gold? I know you are. Today is what happened in the laundry room. Not that part. That's not the funny part. Okay, so today I went to clean out behind the washer and dryer downstairs. I do maintenance on the building. This building is probably, I don't care if anyone thinks I'm crazy. At this point, I realize it's haunted. I mean, not haunted in a bad way. I mean, okay. So, I did how to uninstall a hardwired stove. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, I think I'm starting to like it when I shock myself because it just happens all the fucking time. So, probably, oh, brr, it's cold. Maybe it's my outfit. I don't know. So common sense would probably tell you this. Apparently I don't have any common sense. Any large appliance, you should probably turn the power off because, well, I can't stop shocking myself. Okay. I know some people are going to be like, oh my gosh, she's a ding dong. Well, maybe I am. That's okay. So, okay. I know you guys want to see it. She had a rough night. Her shoes falling off. Okay. Enough with that shenanigans. It's time for you guys to see what happened. Well, I mean, I didn't have the camera going when I shocked myself because that would be amazing. Also, it smelled like something was burning down there. I did, you'll all be proud of me, I did turn the breaker off for the heater because it just turned on by itself. Brr, it's fucking freezing. Okay,